Hello friends, মই অপূৰ্ব আৰু আপোনালোকে চাই আছে মোৰ চেনেল নজল বয়। আজি এটা বিশেষ টপিক আনিছোঁ এই ভিডিঅ'ৰ জৰিয়তে আপোনালোকৰ বাবে সকলোকে ভিডিঅ'টো চাই ভাল পাব। আৰু টপিকটো আনিছোঁ 30 expected questions on idioms and phrases from English subject which may come in various latest recruitment exams, competitive exams, state government exams like ASSAM police, APSC, etc. So hope আপোনালোকে লাষ্টলৈকে চাব আৰু ভাল পাব। So বলক এতিয়া আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ।
So বন্ধুসকল, question number 1. At once, which end? Option A, perplexed. Option B, clear up. Option C, explain. Option D, enlighten. So correct answer is option A, that is perplexed. Question number 2. At one's fingertips. Option A, to take revenge. Option B, matter of shame. Option C, complete knowledge. Option D, none of above. So correct answer is option C, that is complete knowledge. Question number 3. At the spur of the moment. Option A, difficult moment. Option B, without delay. Option C, great moment. Option D, very slow. So correct answer is option B, that is without delay. Question number 4. All in all. Option A, every person. Option B, particular thing, same in all. Option C, call all at once. Option D, most important. So correct answer to whole option D, most important. Question number 5. At close quarters. Option A, close examinations. Option B, live near to each other. Option C, live far to each other. Option D, in love. So correct answer to whole option A, close examinations. Question number 6. Apple pie order. Option A, in random order. Option B, related to fruits packing. Option C, related to dry fruit packing. Option D, in perfect order. So correct answer is option D, that is in perfect order. Question number 7. Above board. Boasting person. Option B, honest and straightforward. Option C, a man with arrogance. Option D, a dishonest person. So correct answer is option B, that is honest and straightforward. Question number 8. As fit as a fiddle. Option A, very weak. Option B, recovering from illness. Option C, looks fit but not fit actually. Option D, none of above. So correct answer is option D, that is none of the above. Question number 9. At loggerheads. Option A, in difficulty. Option B, to be at strife. Option C, very happy together. Option D, none of above. So correct answer is option B, that is to be at strife. Question number 10. An apple of discord. Option A, cause of wealth. Option B, cause of illness. Option C, cause of happiness. Option D, cause of quarrel. So correct answer is option D, that is cause of quarrel. Question number 11. At a loss. Option A, at a business loss. Option B, at a relation loss. Option C, to be unable to decide. Option D, none of above. So correct answer is option C, that is to be unable to decide. Question number 12. At daggers drawn. Option A, to have bitter enmity. Option B, to be very friendly. Option C, to be unknown. Option D, to be very familiar. So correct answer to whole option A, to have bitter enmity. Question number 13. At large. Option A, very famous. Option B, not famous. Option C, abscond. Option D, very far. So correct answer is option C, that is abscond. Question number 14. At sea. Option A, baffled. Option B, very happy. Option C, very excited. Option D, very sad. So correct answer is option A, that is baffled. Question number 15. A bigger bang for your buck. Option A, more for your money. Option B, not for money. Option C, more for your nature. Option D, more for your smile. So correct answer is option A, that is more for your money. Question number 16. At sixes and sevens. Option A, in perfect order. Option B, very happy. Option C, in disorder. Option D, very sad. So correct answer is option C, that is in disorder. Question number 17. Argues-eyed. Option A, doubtful. Option B, very confident. Option C, very calm. Option D, careful. So correct answer to whole option D, careful. Question number 18. A lot of cobblers. Option A, good news. Option B, very famous. Option C, rubbish. Option D, none of above. So correct answer to whole option C, rubbish. Question number 19. A pig in a poke. Option A, accept deal in a pressure. Option B, accept deal without knowing. Option C, accept deal after detailed analysis. Option D, accept deal due to threat. So correct answer to whole option B, that is accept deal without knowing. Question number 20. At one fell swoop. Option A, after lots of thinking. Option B, in a single. Option C, by mistake. Option D, joint action. So correct answer to whole option B, in a single action. Question number 21. Away with the fairies. Option A, not facing reality. Option B, on the basis of reality. Option C, shocking stage. Option D, very sad. So correct answer is option A, that is not facing reality. Question number 22. Back of beyond. Option A, an ideal place for holidays. Option B, a place with certain memories. Option C, a religious place. Option D, a lonely 4-second place. So correct answer is option D, that is a lonely 4-second place. Question number 23. By hook or by crook? Option A, by permission. Option B, by any means. Option C, by noble means. Option D, by request. So correct answer to whole option B, by any means. Question number 24. Bandy words. Option A, to argue. Option B, to request. Option C, to give respect. Option D, to be polite. So correct answer to whole option A, to argue. Question number 25. Break the ice. Option A, to do something with courage. Option B, to win a prize. Option C, to speak first after long silence. Option D, to win someone's heart. So correct answer to whole option C, to speak first after long silence. Question number 26. Bad blood. Option A, wounded in scuffle. Option B, bitter relations. Option C, dishonest. Option D, arrogant. So correct answer to whole option B, bitter relations. Question number 27. Black and blue. Option A, to put things in order. Option B, to put things in disorder. Option C, to trust someone. Option D, to beat very badly. So correct answer is option D, that is to beat very badly. Question number 28. Browbeat. Option A, to bully. Option B, to respect. Option C, to praise. Option D, to rebuke. So correct answer is option A, that is to bully. Question number 29. Beat defiance. Option A, to obey. Option B, to ignore. Option C, to follow. Option D, none of above. So correct answer is option B, that is to ignore. Question number 30 and the last question. Blow one's trumpet. Option A, to praise other. Option B, to praise leader. Option C, to praise own self. Option D, to praise community. So correct answer is option C, that is to praise own self. So বন্ধুসকল এতিয়ালৈকে এইখিনি আছিল। হোপ আপোনালোকে ভিডিঅ' চাই ভাল পালে। যদি ভাল পাইছে তেনেহ'লে প্লিজ লাইক আৰু শ্বেয়াৰ কৰি দিব। আকৌ লগ পোৱাৰ আশাৰে ধন্যবাদ।
আপোনালোকে যদি মোৰ ভিডিঅ'টো চাই ভাল পালে তেনেহ'লে প্লিজ লাইক কৰি দিব, শ্বেয়াৰ কৰি দিব নিজৰ ফ্ৰেণ্ডছলৈ। আৰু আগলৈকে যদি এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ ৰেকমেণ্ড টাইপ ভিডিঅ' চাই থাকিব বিচাৰে, জব ৰিলেটেড ভিডিঅ' চাই থাকিব বিচাৰে মোৰ চেনেলত, তেনেহ'লে প্লিজ মোৰ চেনেল ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব, লগতে ন'টিফিকেশ্যন বেলটো ক্লিক কৰি দিব। চ' বন্ধুসকল মই এতিয়ালৈকে আহিছোঁ। জয় হিন্দ।